Welcome to Sri Sai Automation. Private wireless technology solution by using Siemens products. Wireless communication technology. How rugged and reliable wireless technology in industrial can reduce operating difficulties and cost. Wireless technology in oil and gas industries like ONGC and CPCL. Both the on and offshore plant monitoring and controlling system, power generation and distribution systems, automation control and monitoring systems, water management systems, compressions and pumping solutions, life cycle services. In offshore plant. Methods of wireless communications. Technology, we have three types of technology: WiMAX, Wi-Fi and 3G cellular. You can use WiMAX communication up to 40 km in the speed of 40 Mbps, and Wi-Fi communications you can use up to 1.5 km indoor applications up to speed 150 to 600 Mbps. 3G cellular network you can use up to 135 km ranges, 5 to 14 Mbps speed. Methods of wireless communications. Wireless remote communications. We can use point-to-point data transmission and controlling through the cloud. A rugged WIN is called. We can transmit and receive through our own network with repeater modes. Industrial wireless LAN communications. You can use these all peripherals within the Siemens product of transmission and repeaters and receiver sectors. Wireless HOT protocol communications, it will use in the plant. So one is control station, another one part is transmissions in the field instruments. For example, level transmitters and pressure transmitters and flow transmitters and I/O interface and everything. WiMAX modules, long range communications, point-to-point applications we can use for WiMAX modules. WiMAX module accessories for these cells. Wi-Fi and WLAN, network devices for Siemens products. Schematic diagrams. This is for one of the control stations we are using for WiMAX module in here, and additionally routers and everything is installed in one stations, and long range up to 135 kilometers. So we can put one at this another station, so we can able to monitor and control and voice transmissions, video transmission like phone and fax, and also systems and hardboard services. Exactly, this is for the point-to-point plant and remote monitoring systems, or any station to station data transmission and discussion systems. Application examples. Communication models, how we are placed in the field. This is for the examples. You can use one model here and another models here within the range of this crossing point. You cannot put exact range, so you can little bit the circle of communications this way. Industrial operating system with wireless modules. So we have two provisions. One is Profibus network and industrial Ethernet networks. We have another one is ILAN coaxial cables. It is for the wireless transmission cables, and also this system transmitting the all data from the field through the Profibus get and transmit to the wireless network. So we can able to control within single stations and monitor data log and everything. This system explains this industrial and office interface with wireless. So this is for the plant, so you can able to monitor field instrument and everything in the PLC through the PLC network and wireless. So can monitor and control data log and communicate with the phones and systems and the mobile phones, Android and mobile phones. So you can to discuss or communicate with all data through the wireless communication in the plant. This is for metro train project applications. One is a movement part, another one is a fixed part. Fixed hand part having coaxial cable with Wi-Fi networks, and it will transmit the Wi-Fi signals through the way. And after that, this is the movement part. It will reach one area to another area automatically without signal losing. We can get all the transmission data with our this WLAN radio link protocols. What we can do with wireless communications: audio transmission and receives, video transmission and receives, and telemetric data logging and monitoring. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, please contact the following numbers and email address. Thank you.